is the Kinc Record. It's Sunday, January the 14th, and I'm standing here on Highway 21 at the north end of the town of Kincardine, just past Kincardine Home Hardware, and the road is closed. It's been closed since last night, all the way from Port Elgin to Amberley, due to blowing and drifting snow. And there you can see it, the blowing and drifting snow. They're looking south into the town of Kincardine. It's windy and cold. And this storm actually started Friday night, it's supposed to continue all the way through today, right through till Monday morning. So stay off the road, go where it's warm, and that's where I'm headed. It's Kinc Record capturing the weather.